Hey guys, we just got a new pet board, and her name is Tweet Tweet. Say hi, Tweet Tweet. This is her first time ever being on camera with me, so Tweet Tweet. And she really likes me, but she doesn't really let me pick her up yet. Sometimes she goes onto my hand. Not really that much, but we got a new board. This is for and she's gonna be in a lot of the videos. Well, I'm not sure, maybe. Do you think the board is going to be in a lot of the videos or Tweet Tweet?
I think so. Come on, Sparky.
And Spoke's outside again. Okay. We just have to wait and see if he's coming inside or not. Well, the time was almost up. Bye, guys. Bye.